In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your DoorDash account. Whether you're craving your favorite meal or need to manage your orders, accessing your DoorDash account is the first step. Let's walk through this process together, ensuring it's as straightforward as possible. To begin, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you regularly use. In the address bar at the top, type in DoorDash.com. This will take you to the home page of DoorDash, where you'll find a myriad of options for delicious meals to be delivered right to your door. But before we can start browsing through restaurants, we need to log in. Once you're on the DoorDash homepage, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see a button labeled Sign In. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up the login screen where you'll have a few options to proceed. Now you'll notice that DoorDash offers multiple ways for you to access your account. If you prefer a fast and seamless experience, you can opt to sign in using your Google, Facebook, or Apple account. Simply choose the option you're comfortable with and follow the prompts to authorize DoorDash to use your selected account for login. This method is often the fastest since it bypasses the traditional email and password entry. However, if you prefer to stick with traditional email login, DoorDash has you covered. Simply enter the email address associated with your DoorDash account in the provided field. Make sure to double check that your email is accurate, as any typos could prevent you from logging in successfully. Once you've entered your email, click on the button that says Continue Sign In. This will trigger a prompt asking you to enter your password. Type in your password carefully. Keep in mind, passwords are usually case sensitive, so watch out for any accidental caps lock or incorrect characters. After entering your password, you can hit enter or click the login button, and you should be directed to your DoorDash account home page. From here, you can view past orders, update your account information, or start searching for that perfect meal you've been craving. As a quick tip, if you're having trouble logging in, make sure your internet connection is stable and check if your browser is up to date. If you forgot your password, DoorDash offers a simple password recovery process that you can follow by clicking Forgot Password on the sign-in page, and that's it. Logging into your DoorDash account is simple. Once you know, I hope this guide has been helpful and you're now all set to order your next meal. Enjoy your food and happy dashing.